Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the next type of your coding and decoding. This is a very important topic in your reasoning sections. Coding and decoding means it is means of security purpose. So the sender and receiver only know the code for their messages. For example, the real word is coded for with some other word. So hence it is known as cryptography also. So the coding and decoding is it is usually testing for us our thinking ability, that is logical thinking ability. We'll see the question one by one. So here very first question is, if the code of solid is 59 and then format will be coded as, in this question solid is written as 59. So here A to Z, your alphabet set having the 26 letters A to Z. So forwarded means 1 to 26 numbers are there. So if it is backward means Z have 1 and Y have 2 up to A have the value of 26. So depends upon this values, they can code like solid is 59. So solid is 59, SOLID. What is the value of S? What is the value of S? So here 19. What is the value of O? What is the value of O? 15. What is the value of L? 12. What is the value of I? What is the value of I? 9. What is the value of D? What is the value of D? 4. So value of D is 4. While adding this all the values, 19 first, 10, 20, 30. 30, 39, 39 plus 4, 43. 43 plus 9, 43 plus 9 is 52. 52 plus 5 is 57. 57 plus 2 is 59. Hence the forwarded value will be added, substituted for the corresponding letters and finally added these all the numbers. So similar procedure we must follow for the word for format. Hence format FORMAT. So what is the value of F? See, what is the value of F? 6 plus what is the value of O? What is the value of O? 15 plus what is the value of R? What is the value of R? 18 plus what is the value of M? What is the value of M? 13 plus what is the value of A? 1 plus what is the value of T? Just observe your table. Yes, 20. Okay. Now 6 plus 15, 21, 21 plus 10, 31, 39, 49, 52, 53 plus 20, 73. Hence your option is B is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next type of question. Here, if chance is equivalent to 34, then create is equal to 52. Then succeed will be equal to chance. How many letters are there? C, H, A, N, C, E. So there are 6 letters. If each letter is having the values, example, H value of H is 8. So now according to this question, just observe the word, that is they are using the forwarded value or backwarded value. Say according to this question, what is the C's value? 3 and what is the H value? They are using the forwarded value. What is the H value? 8 and what is the value of A? 1 and what is the value of N? 14. What is the value of C? 3. What is the value of E? So 3 plus 8, 11, 11, 12, 12 plus 14, 26, 26 plus 3, 29, 29 plus 5 is 34. So similarly, we need to do the same process for succeed. So S, U, C, C, E, E, D. What is the value of S? See, what is the value of S? 19, right? And what is the value of U? What is the value of U? 21 plus. What is the value of C? 3. And what is the value of C? 3. What is the value of E? What is the value of E? 5. Again the value of E is 5 and the value of D is 4. Now 19 plus 21, 20, 20, 40, 43, 46, 46 plus 4, 50, 55, 60. Hence your answer is 60. Option A is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. Here your question is, if the code of hunger is 89, then life will be coded as. So here whenever you are facing the questions, you just observe they are using the values of the respective letter in the forwarded direction or backwarded direction. So in this question, hunger, HUNGER is 89. So here what is the backward value of H, reverse value of H? Reverse value of H will be 19. What is the reverse value of U? What is the reverse value of U? Here U 6. 6 is the answer. What is the reverse value of N? 13. What is the reverse value of G? What is the reverse value of G? 20. Plus what is the reverse value of E? What is the reverse value of E? 22. Plus what is the reverse value of R? 9. Just check it. 19 plus 6, 25. 25 plus 20, what? 45. 45 plus 13, 48, 58. 58, 60, 80, 80 plus 9, 89. Similarly, now we want to code for the life, word of life. What is the reverse value of L? What is the reverse value of L? 15. What is the reverse value of I? What is the reverse value of I? 18. What is the reverse value of F? What is the reverse value of F? 21. What is the reverse value of E? What is the reverse value of E? 22. So 20, 20, 40, 50, 60 plus 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Hence your answer is 76. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. If the code of mission is 54, then value will be coded as. What is the value of M? That is 13. Value of M is 13. What is the value of N? 14. 13 plus 14 is 27 into 2 is your answer, 54. In this question, they coded in the format of first term plus the last term into 2. Similarly, what is the value of V? What is the value of V here? 22. 22 plus what is the value of E? So here 5. 22 plus 5 is 27. First term plus last term into 2. Hence the value of code, that is the value is 54. The word of value, that is answer is option B is the correct answer. The format is first term plus last term into 2. We'll move on to your next example. If the code of overcome is 60, then bride will be coded as. See, what is the code of O? What is the value of O? The value of O is 15 plus what is the value of E? 5. So 15 plus 5 is 20 into 3, 60. First term plus last term into 3. First term plus last term into 2. First term plus last term into 4. Depends upon the questions. You can change whether it is multiply with 2 or multiply with 3 and all. So what is the value of P? What is the value of P here? 16. And what is the value of E here? 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 into 3 is 63. Hence your answer is option B is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If the code of creditor 722981324, then guide will be coded as how it is working. Just think the number of letters inside the credit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the value will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here what is the value of C? 3. 3 plus 4, 7. What is the value of R? What is the value of R? That is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. The 4 will be added to their respective value. Example, just check it. What is the value of T? Value of T is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Now, what is the value of D? D value is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So, similarly, the same procedure must be followed for the word of guide. Shall we do this? Yes. Guide. What is the value of G here? What is the value of G here? Just check with your 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Now, what is the value of U? What is the value of U? 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. What is the value of I? What is the value of I here? 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. What is the value of D? What is the value of D? 4 plus 4 is 8. And what is the value of E? 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Hence, 11 plus 11. 25, 13, 8, 9. 11, 25, 13, 8, 9. Where is your option though? The ending digit is 9. So, hence your answer is 11, 25, 13, 8, 9. So, we'll move on to your next question. If the code of P is 154024. See, what is the code of P? 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. What is the code of E? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. What is the code of A? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, the respective value which is subtracted by 1 similarly never will be coded as. What is the value of N? What is the value of N here? 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. What is the value of E? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. What is the value of V? What is the value of V? 22. 22 minus 1 is 21. What is the value of E? 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. What is the value of R? So, R in the sense 18. 18 minus 1 is 17. Here, hence your answer is 13, 4, 21, 4, 17. So, your answer is option C, 13, 42, 14, 17. Hence, your answer is option C is the correct answer. So, we'll move on to your next question. If the code of codes is 41, then positive will be coded as. So, if the code of codes Q, U, O, T, E, yes. See, listen, 41. What is the value of Q? 17. 17. And what is the value of S? 19. So, approximately it will come nearby 30 and above. So, in this case, what they are taking, if they are just observe your words, if they are taking the previous value or next value into 2 or into 3, or else the vowels only, or else the consonants only. What are the vowels available here? O, E, U. What is the value of U here? 21. What is the value of O? 15. What is the value of E? 5. So, add these values. Yes, 15 plus 20, 20 plus 21, 41. In this question, they are adding the vowels values alone. So, similarly, positive. So, inside the word positive, in your positive word, how many vowels are there? O, I, E. So, what is the value of O here? 15. What is the value of I? 9. What is the value of I? 9. What is the value of E? 5. Just add the vowels values alone. So, 15 plus 9 plus 9 plus 15. 20, 29, 29 plus 9, 30, 38. So hence your answer is option B is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If the code of come as 16, then awesome will be coded as. What is the code of value that is come will be written as 16. So observe your observe your vowels and consonant. So they are adding vowels alone, they are adding consonant alone. Okay, now what is the value of O? What is the value of O here? So what is the value of O? 15. What is the value of E? 5. 15 plus 5 is 20. So vowel is not added here. What is the value of C? 3. What is the value of M? 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Yes, in this question they are adding the value of consonants, respective consonants. Similarly, we need to add the consonant values in the word of awesome. So awesome. So what is the value of W? 23. What is the value of S? 19. What is the value of M? 13. So 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 2, 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. 55 is your answer. Hence option D is the correct answer. We'll move on to your next question. If the code of motivation is 4629412965, then something will be coded as. Just observe how many letters inside the word of motivation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 letters word is there and 10 letters numbers are there. So they are using the format. What is the value of M? What is the value of M here? So 13. 13 inside your 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. Am I clear? Now, O, what is the value of O? 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 4, 6. After that, what is the value of T? What is the value of T? 2, 0. 2 plus 0 is 20. What is the value of I? What is the value of I here? 9. So if it is double digit means they can make it as single digit. So here for example, here T. What is the value of T? T value is 20. 2 plus 0 is 2. So they are using T and 2. And what is the value of O? What is the value of O? 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Yes, right. What is the value of N? 14. 1 plus 4 is 5. So they are make it as single digit value. That's all. Similarly, we need to do for the word of something. What is the value of S? 19. What is the value of O? 15. What is the value of 13? First of all, we write the values. What is the value of E? 5. What is the value of T? 20. What is the value of H? 8. What is the value of I? 9. What is the value of A? 1. What is the value of G? What is the value of G? 7. Yes, finally we are going to write the answer. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 again. 10 will be coded as 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4, 5. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Now what is the value of your 8? The I value will be 9 and A value will be 1 and similarly G value will be 7. Hence your answer is 1, 6, 4, 5, 2, 8, 9, 1, 7. Is there any option is available? No, none of these is the correct answer. If the letter having the double digit value means they can write it as single digit value. We'll move on to your next question. Yes, in this question, what is the value of B here? What is the value of B here? 2. Forwarded value 2 and the backward value is 25. So the value of B is 7. So they are taking the reverse value. So B becomes 7, 4, 6, 3, 5, 4, 8. Now B's value is 7. E's value is 4. E's value is 4 means they are taking the reverse values. So they are considering the reverse values. So similarly, they are taking the reverse value. They are taking the reverse value of the respective letters, and if they are 2-digit value means they are make it as single digit value. Similarly, we can do for rainbow. We want to do for the rainbow. So if it is rainbow, what is the reverse value of R? What is the reverse value of R? 9. What is the reverse value of A? 26. 2 plus 6 is 8. What is the reverse value of I? What is the reverse value of I? 1, 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. What is the reverse value of N? What is the reverse value of N? 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. What is the reverse value of B? 25. 2 plus 5 is 7. What is the reverse value of O? What is the reverse value of O? 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. What is the reverse value of W? Reverse value of W is 4. Hence, your answer is 9894 734. 9894 734. Your option D is the correct answer. This is the example of how the word will become the values. They are using the forward direction value or backward direction value, or else consonant values alone, or else vowels values alone, or if they are taking the value and -1, or taking the value +1 and all everything. So thank you for watching.